dad. Friends, to the people, galing sa iba't ibang lugar, na hindi ko nakita for years, months, and for the longest time. Only a few are invited, only the people that are close to our hearts. Thank you. Sa dati ni Eugene, Tita Baby, Tita Son, Nina, Neil, and the whole family, thank you for understanding us. Tita, sorry for whatever it has cost. Sa lahat, especially the ones na talaga, everyone who made the effort to come. Siyempre, my titas, the titas has always been there. Mula umpisa, umalis na kasi isa si ate ko, Lily, sabi niya kanina, late mo lang doon, kinakasal ka na. May ninangs, yung mga workmates ng mama ko. Ayan, sa center. Thank you. Sa friends. At lalo na sa mga office mate namin. Salamat sa effort na pumunta. Salamat po ng walang katapusan. And siyempre, this won't be complete kung hindi ako magpapasalamat sa husband ko for making this possible. Thank you.
Wow! Parang Sander at Agnes lang yung napapanood ko ngayon. Palakpakan naman natin sila!